So this question says, Adriel earns $52.50 for selling 42 lemonades in the school fair. Using the same rate for the cost of one lemonade, how many more lemonades will Adriel need to sell to earn a total of $73.75? Now that we know what the problem is talking about, let's go back and circle and label any really important information. Well, we know he earns $52.50. We also know he sells 42 lemonades. Now, because these values go together specifically, they form a rate. Here's what I mean. Adriel can only earn $52.50 when he sells 42 lemonades. So because those numbers go together and form a rate, let's put that rate over here. And the question we're being asked is, how many more lemonades will Adriel need to sell to earn a total of $73.75? So let's circle 73.75 and label it as how much he needs to earn. Now we have to be very, very careful. Even though we do need to find out how many lemonades Adriel needs to sell to earn $73.75, they're asking us not just how many lemonades, but how many more lemonades he'll have to sell. Now because we have two rates, the best thing to do is to make a small ratio table. And because our rate is talking about dollars and lemonades, we'll have the first column talk about the dollars, and the second talk about the lemonades. And we know that Adriel earns $52.50 for 42 lemonades. And $52.50 is the money, so we'll put it in this box here. And he has to sell 42 lemonades in order to make this much. So we'll put 42 in this box here. Next, we want to find out how many lemonades he has to sell to earn this much money, $73.75. So let's put that here. And finally, we don't know what this value is, so let's put a variable in its place. So now that we have everything in our table where it's supposed to go, now we can follow a two-step process where we cross multiply and then divide. So let's multiply $52.50 times x first. And when we do that, we'll get $52.50 x equals 42 times 73.75. So 73.75 times 42 will give us 3,097.5. Now the second step is to divide by whatever the coefficient is. In case you don't know, the coefficient is just the number that's in front of your variable. So we'll divide both this side and this side of the equal sign by 52.50. Remember, this line represents division, and 52.50 divided by 52.50 will cancel out, leaving us with x all by itself, and that's exactly what we want. Equals 3,097.5 divided by 52.50. And that gives us 59. And what exactly does this mean? Well, this 59 is the number of lemonades Adriel will have to sell to earn $73.75. And even though that's great, that's not what the question's asking us. The question's asking us how many more lemonades he'll have to sell. So what do you think we'll have to do to find that? Well, we now know he has to sell 59 lemonades to earn the $73.75. And he earned $52.50 from selling 42. So what we'll need to do is subtract the 42 from 59. Nine minus 2 is 7. And 5 minus 4 is 1. And this is our final answer, because this is how many more lemonades Adriel will have to sell to earn $73.75. So there you have it, all of our work and our final answer crystal clear. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Math Review.